We are here today to bear witness to one of the truest expressions of love, the union of Jeff and Jess in marriage.
I go a little crazy sometimes. Can you believe it? Yeah, I swear.
Jess, I knew from the moment I saw you across the cafeteria that I was going to make you my girl. I didn't know how I was going to do it at first, but I just had a gut feeling that you would be just straight up wifey material, and that I needed to have you in my life. Even though I had the cheesiest way ever asking you to be my girlfriend, you gave me a chance and said yes.
I swear I breathe, and when I'm with you, I know who I am and who I wanna be. I'm not trying to be dramatic, no.
Jeffrey, you were my first boyfriend, and ever since then you have been my best friend. And now I will get to call you my husband. I cannot believe that it has been 6.5 years. I cannot believe how fast time flies. And I cannot believe how completely and utterly in love with you that I still am. You have undoubtedly made me a better person in so many ways, and you are beyond the best thing that has ever walked into my life. You are so kind, caring, and gentle-hearted. Your personality lights up a room, and your presence makes me feel at home no matter where we are.
Jess, you look beautiful.
When I'm with you, I can finally breathe. When I'm with you, I swear to God, I'm who I wanna be. I'm who I wanna be.
Wow. That's my girl. My girl. That's my wife. It doesn't matter if the moment is big or small. I very frequently think to myself how much I love you. And I'm not just saying that to look like a great guy in front of everyone. I genuinely have these little pauses where I think of how damn lucky I am to have you in my life. Like, just look at you, Jess. You're a drop-dead gorgeous, badass nurse that lifts at the gym, you cook great food, you're emotionally invested in our relationship and eager to explore the world. And I can't wait to share those experiences with you. Every cell in my body knows that we're going to live a great life together. I love you, Jessica, soon to be Slick Ice, and that will never change.
Up in the clouds, reaching the stars from the ground, lost in this garden, embracing the place that we found. Shadows turning into light, our eyes open wide. When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright.
For as far as we know, we only get one life, and I couldn't imagine mine without you. And so today, I vow to you, Jeffrey, that in sickness and in health, that through all of the good times and all of the bad, that I will stand by your side, and that not even death shall part us. I vow to unconditionally and imperfectly love you for now and forever. And lastly, today, on our wedding day, I vow to be your wife for happily ever after. I love you.
The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find we'll get there.